guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing sort of an outfit idea for different types of shoots, and I wanted to do this video because I remember searching for this on YouTube and I couldn't find anything, and it might seem a bit ridiculous to search for this, but I mean sometimes you're just looking for, you know, to do a creative shoot and look for creative outfits. And I mean, I'm a photographer, not a fashion designer, so I decided I'm gonna make it, and hopefully I'm the first one to do this video. But yeah, basically just to give you an idea, this is mainly for like out of the cupboard type of clothes, not bought clothes, because personally I don't like to spend money, so I'm pretty sure you also do, because photography is expensive enough. So the outfits I'm going to choose, some of them might not like stand out with like color wise, but we're going to focus more on the style, and I'll sort of explain my vision of each outfit, if that makes sense. So like for this outfit, for example, it's basically a tight fitted dress, not too tight, but basically you could wear like a white one if you have one in the same style, or you can even like sew one if you're good at sewing. That's like an awesome skill to have. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, so as I explained with this dress, I pictured it sort of as like a sort of smart sort of model type of studio shoot, and I think I'd probably pair it up with like a smart sort of blouse with it. So my vision for this, if I had the correct colors, I would have like this in white and this in like a crazy color, like a blue or something, so it like stands out in the photos, because I personally don't like to shoot dark colors. It's just my personal preference. Maybe there is other photographers who also don't prefer, you know, editing photos with dark colors, because it can be a bit annoying. So if you do go to a photo shoot, just a tip, try keep the clothes bright. Okay, so I'm gonna jump into this outfit. Okay, so this is with the first outfit on, and I'm not too fond of like the black jacket. So like I said, maybe you could wear like a blue jacket or whatever with like a white dress, because it is quite dark. And because also I have like dark circles under my eyes, so I also try to keep everything bright, just to brighten my face a bit as well. And I'm immediately regretting this because I'm freezing, because it is winter here in South Africa, and my legs are a little bit crusty and white because I've basically been indoors, you know, away from the cold, because I hate the cold, so I really just can't wait to get out of this. But yeah, basically it's like a smart blouse, and the sleeves are a bit short for me, as you can see. This whole thing is basically small for me. But yeah, basically you could wear this with like a studio sort of modeling kind of thing, really whatever you want to do with it. So this is the outfit. Okay, so this next one is basically, I pictured it in like a couple shoots, or it could even just be like a single shoot, and it's basically just this sort of flowy dress. It's not like, wrong way, it's not like too flowy or whatever, but I think it's like very like romantic or whatever, because of like it fits at the top and it's a little bit flowy at the bottom. It might not fit me because I'm very tiny. But yeah, basically I would probably like get a red one or whatever. I think this would actually be very nice for like a Valentine's Day sort of shoot. So yeah, that's basically it for this one, and I think maybe you could wear like heels with it. I'm not going to wear heels when I do try it on, because I will break my neck. Okay, so yeah, I have on sort of the romantic kind of dress I mentioned. It is a bit creased, but it's okay. If you're gonna wear something like this, like flowy or whatever, you might want to wear like Spanx or something tight underneath, so your underwear doesn't show through. But yeah, this is basically what it looks like. I would definitely get this in like a red or just any other color. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. At the back it also has like a string, just to tighten the dress around the waist a bit. So you could, if like you have a dress similar to this and it doesn't have any strings on the side, you could probably just like sew one on each side, so you can sort of make it tighter if you would like to. So there you go. Okay, so this next one is a sort of like just a normal outdoor portrait shoot, I would say. I don't know, maybe you have better ideas than I do, so go ahead and tell me what you would do with each outfit. But this is basically just a white sort of floral shirt, and it's very flowy, and I really like the colours on it. I think if it were just like plain white, it would be a bit boring. So just the colours makes it a bit more interesting, and your photos more interesting. And I would basically pair it with like a pair of blue jeans. Now these are black jeans because all my jeans are at my boyfriend's house because I came totally prepared to make this video. So we've got my black jeans, which are blue. Okay, so when I try this on, just pretend they're blue, okay? So yeah, I want to keep these blue, I will keep it as blue jeans, not necessarily black jeans. Like I say, I don't like editing black clothing, even though that's basically all I have in my cupboard. So yeah. So yeah, you can like pair it with the shirts, the jeans, and maybe you could wear shoes that match the shirt, so probably like white sneakers or tackies. In South Africa we call sneakers tackies, so just so you know. But yeah, that's basically it for this outfit. Okay, so this is what it looks like with this outfit on for the outdoor portrait photo idea. And basically this would probably be my favorite one because it's flowy, it's open, you can move in it. It's not like with my first outfit where you would probably have to like stand like this if you had to lift your hands up for something. So definitely a bonus in that aspect. But yeah, like I said, it's nice, it's white, it's bright, it's colourful, so it's just going to be so nice, you know, like in the felt or something, and like it's going to complement the different colours. So this is what this outfit looks like, and basically like I said, it would be nice with like blue jeans and like maybe white shoes as well. I'd probably wear white pumps instead of like sneakers or tackies as well, so because I think this is just a bit too girly for tackies. I don't know, maybe, you know, maybe you just prefer tackies instead of pumps. So
hi guys, so it's editing Darlenia, and I just realized what a dumbass I am because for this next part I basically forgot to do a video explaining my idea behind the outfit and, you know, what I wanted to do with it. So basically this next outfit is a winter outfit, and I wanted to incorporate a winter outfit because I think for photographers during winter we don't really get a lot of photo shoots because it's so cold and no one really wants to shoot then. So basically what I've done is I've got sort of like a coat, like a nice warm coat, and I've paired it with jeans and boots and a scarf as well. And you could also replace the scarf with a necklace or whatever if you don't really want to do a scarf, but this is basically what I've come up with out of my cupboard.
okay, so my winter outfit is on, and this is basically what it looks like. The nice thing about this outfit, because of the coat, is it gives sort of your photographer more opportunities on different poses to do, because you can wear it with your coat, you can do poses with you holding your coat, you know, different type of things like that. And I basically took my tank top and I turned it inside out. It did have writing on it, so just rule of thumb, don't wear, you know, shirts with writing on it to photo shoots. Always wear a plain shirt. And yeah, so I have this on that's turned inside out, and I'm wearing it with ankle boots. You can wear your heel ankle boots, you can wear, you know, flat ankle boots. I prefer to wear flat ones as usual because I cannot walk in heels. But just a suggestion, if you do like an outdoor shoot with us in winter and you're gonna wear something like this, wear flat shoes, whether it's boots, tackies, pumps. Well, obviously you only get flat pumps, but any shoes, just wear flats if you're going to be walking outdoors, because I can guarantee your photographer is probably going to make you hike, because I do that because I want to get like the best spots for my photos. So always remember that. If you're going to be doing like a studio shoot, you can wear heels, you can wear whatever, but that's the nice thing about studio. So yeah, this is what this outfit looks like, and I hope you like it. Okay, and then the best for last, which I actually did a shoot in quite a while ago, so you can look at the photo right over there. And it's basically sort of like a bohemian type of dress. I think it's a bohemian type of dress. But basically like sort of this knit sort of part basically makes me like think of like bohemian type of vibes, and then also just like the flowery part at the end. So you should definitely go check out the behind the scenes on my YouTube. The photos came out awesome. So this is really like a nice color. If you can get like something very colorful like this, or if you have something very colorful like this, then you are very lucky because the photos come out awesome. So I basically did, or I planned to do sort of like a naturey shoot like in the veldt or the forest, and basically I ended up doing a street sort of photography vibe over there. And even though I didn't do the photo shoots I wanted to, the photos still came out awesome. So don't just think any of these outfits are for specific things, because you can really make any of them work in any type of environment. But yeah, let's jump into this outfit. Okay, so this is what the bohemian sort of style dress looks like, and it's a little bit big for me, so I do need to make the straps a little bit smaller. But yeah, like I said, I'll show you the photos of what this looked like at my photo shoot. I will show you another one just because, you know, I need to brag. Or you can go watch the video on it, which you can see all the photos. But yeah, this is basically what it looks like, and it's so nice and comfortable. This is a bit long for me as well, so I do need to make it shorter. Otherwise, like if you have a model that's wearing a dress sort of this length, you don't want them to chop and fall, especially if you are doing an outdoor shoot. So just make sure your clothing is tailored to perfection. So yeah, this is what it looks like. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I do want to clarify further that these outfits weren't like very fashionable. It was basically just an idea of a style you could use. Maybe you have something similar in your cupboard that you could use for a photo shoot. So I did just want to clarify that, and I do apologize because some of those outfits looked very cringy on me because like I said, I am quite a tiny person, and the clothes I wore are a little bit big for me because some of it is from my mom's cupboard that I stole. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs like and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can be notified when my next video is out. Bye guys.